Google is ready to redefine foldable smartphones with the all-new Pixel 11 Pro Fold. Featuring a slimmer design, next generation. In this video, we'll explore every feature in detail. The Pixel 11 Pro Fold is expected to feature a thinner and lighter premium aluminum frame with Gorilla Glass Victus protection. The redesigned camera module. Google is expected to offer a large 8-inch OLED inner display and a 6.3-inch outer display with a smooth 1 and excellent brightness should deliver an immersive viewing experience for powering the Pixel 11 Pro Fold will likely be Google's new Tensor G6 processor, designed for faster AI processing, improved efficiency, and smoother multitasking.
Google's computational photography remains a huge draw. Expect a powerful triple camera setup, exceptional daylight and night sight, cinematic video and AI editing, plus impressive zoom. The Pixel 11 Pro Fold is here. Get ready for smarter photo editing and live translation. It features advanced AI writing assistants, all deeply integrated across Android.
The foldable is expected to provide all-day battery life with fast wired charging and wireless charging support. Google's adaptive battery optimization should further improve endurance during daily use. Android 17 is expected to deliver optimized multitasking for foldable screens. It features seamless split-screen productivity and floating windows. There is also intuitive drag-and-drop functionality.
Whether you're editing documents, attending video meetings, gaming, or watching movies, the large foldable display combined with AI optimization should 11 Pro Fold an excellent productivity. Security remains a priority. With Google's Titan technology, enjoy 5G, Wi-Fi, and satellite features, plus enhanced privacy controls.
Google is expected to officially announce the Pixel 11 Pro Fold on August 12. Pre-orders are rumored to begin the exact same day, with pricing starting around $1,800.
If the leaks are accurate, the Google Pixel 11 Pro Fold could become one of the smartest AI-powered foldable smart of 26. It aims to compete directly with flagship foldables. Stay tuned for our full hands-on review.